when you go back, if you think about your childhood, you probably remember times in your childhood when you adopted ways of being, character traits even. See? And if you can see that if you adopted a character trait, a way of reacting or being or persona or something, and if you can tell you adopted that, then who were you before you adopted that? See, obviously you still existed and you were still you, see, before that. Now just extrapolate that out to everything, okay, see, because you've adopted everything. So who are you that's adopting all this stuff, experiencing all this stuff, getting muddied up with all this stuff? Then we're starting to get towards the possibility of experiencing who you really are. See? Who you are before you identify with anything.